Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing www coin.com, and as you can see, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that they claim that is the most trusted cryptocurrency trading platform. So as you can see, they have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, TRX, and XRP, and a lot more. So they actually go over a lot of things here on their website. They have a mobile app, and if you actually look here on Reddit, there's somebody said that crypto scam or a Ponzi scheme, which includes wwcoin, Golden Eagle, and Rycard. So this post says, I've been a member of this sub for a while, though mostly inactive. I recently learned about this thing and it caused a huge fight with close friends. This led me to do some research and share with you all. So basically, he goes over the basic info, and they mainly communicate through Telegram groups 6 times a day. They share code scripts, they call them signals. When you enter into the app, it automatically bets 1% of your total sum on the rise or fall of a cryptocurrency, mostly BTC and Ethereum, on what he's seen. They claim a success rate of 90% according to members. So we head on over here to suspicious facts. The quote-unquote wallet linked to your app profile isn't directly controlled by users. You're completely at the mercy of the people running the app. However, currently, emphasis on currently, people say they can withdraw money without problems. So this is basically just another Ponzi scheme, another scheme wherein they let you withdraw money for like a few months or a year or maybe a few years, and then basically once they gathered a lot of money, they will actually run away with that money. So let's head on over to the comments here. So people are still falling for this stuff in 2025. It's basically a scam. So this person said it's a scam. First, let's start with the basics. Any app currency that doesn't let you control 100% of your assets at any time whenever you want is a scam. So yeah, just based from all of that, this app or this website is a scam, and please do not enter in any money or any information about your credit card or your wallet into this website, since it is more than likely a scam. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.